Okay, hi everyone. My name is Nurul Afida. Today I want to talk about something that I guess it's really useful for all of us. It's called the Gibbs Reflective Cycle. So, Gibbs Reflective Cycle is a 6-step cycle that can help us reflect on our learning as experience so that we can learn from that. So, Gibbs Reflective Cycle has 6 steps, which are description. Description is what happened. The second step is feelings. It is how you felt. The third step is evaluation. What was good or what was bad. The fourth step is analysis. What you learned. The fifth step is conclusion. What you could have done better. And the sixth step is action plan. It's a fantastic way to think about experiences. This time I want to share my reflective cycle on my Korean learning journey. I have learned Korean recently in Coursera, so I want to reflect on my learning. The first step is description. What happened? I have been learning Korean for a while now, and while I've grasped some materials like vowels, consonants, and some phrases, I still find a challenge when I told to speaking in a fast pace. I sometimes get lost when I listen to fast-paced conversation in Korean because it's like trying to catch up with a speeding train. Second step is feelings. What was I thinking and feeling at the time? Honestly, I felt a bit embarrassed because I was really excited to practice, but when I struggled to keep up with the flow of conversation, I started doubting myself. Why I can't keep up with them like that? But then I reminded myself that this is all part of the learning process, and I need to be easy on myself. No need to be too hard on myself. We all start somewhere, right? The third step is evaluation. What was good and what was bad about the experience? The good? Well, I have gained a solid understanding of the basic knowledge in Korean, like vowels, consonants, and some phrases like greetings and introduction. But the bad, my pronunciation is still lacking. I struggle to respond quickly, especially when people speak faster than I can process. The fourth step is analysis. What sense can I make of the situations? I realize that my biggest issue is speed. I have mostly been practicing with slow, easy audio, but when it comes to fast-paced conversation, I freeze up. I also noticed that I tend to translate in my head instead of thinking in Korean, which slows me down even more. I guess it's time to change that. The fifth step is conclusion. What else could I have done? Looking back, I should have practiced with more real conversation, especially at a faster pace. I could have also focused more on speaking rather than just listening or reading. I guess real life practice makes all the difference. The last step is action plan. If the challenge or the problem that I face arose again, what would I do? Next time, I'm going to use audio at a faster speed and practice with a language partner. I will focus on thinking directly in Korean instead of just translating it. The goal is to speak more confidently, so I'm going to push myself to do this consistently. So that's all of my reflection using Gibbs Reflective Cycle. I really think this method helps me break down everything in a way that's easy to learn from. If you're learning a language, I think you should give this cycle a try because it's a great way to improve and stay motivated. Thanks for watching and see you!